Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Ethany and I have a special little deck to show you today. I actually get a lot of requests and a lot of questions in the Tarot Readers Academy Facebook group and also just through like Instagram DMings and people messaging me asking about decks for children and decks for kids. We also get asked about like how young is too young, but I think that's another video. But this deck I believe is really fantastic for children and the inner child in all of us. It is the Animantras deck. Now I was lucky enough to receive an early one of these, and now I have the full set. So the full set comes with a whole bunch of stuff inside this little gorgeous little zip bag. So I'm actually going to do a proper walkthrough of this deck and show you what comes with the complete set now that it is out. And as I mentioned before, it's a really gorgeous deck for children. My son loves using it. He's 4.5. And you get this beautiful design, is so gorgeous. So I'm actually going to do the walkthrough. So let's switch over cameras and go through the Animantras. Okay, treasures, now we're going to go through the Animantras Chakra Oracle deck by the one and only Katie. She's done such an amazing job, creator Katie. Look at this gorgeous little you know what, my kid is gonna take this, as I had to hide it from him, because when I received an advance copy and I did a Instagram live when the crowdfunding campaign was coming out, and my son loved it so much, and now I'm gonna have to complete the set and give him the bag and everything because he just loves my 4-year-old. Well, he's nearly 5, but he absolutely loves doing cards with mum, and I just think it's so cute. And this is a perfect little deck. It's a perfect deck for kids, it's a perfect deck for big kids, people who want to work with their chakras, and I love Katie just hard. She is such a good soul. So we have the little, and look at the pattern on the back of this is just everything. Beautiful cardstock, matte finish. So we have the little pouch. Oh, look. We have stickers and magnets, so that's going, I love stickers. Sticker album growing up, it's going on the fridge. I also love magnets. And then we have the little Animantras little guidebook, which, yay, I'm so happy for you. Okay, so let's go through this deck. So it's a beautiful little mini deck. I did a lot of grids on my Instagram a long time, like years ago. I should start doing them again. But this is a really cute little deck to do gridding work with, and I just love that back. Okay, so as you can see, we have the rainbow of colors for our chakras, and then the animals and affirmations for each one. It is a really lovely way to introduce children to working with their chakras. You know, what color are you drawn to? You know, this is the energy around it. I just think it's great. And I'm often asked about decks for kids, and this is definitely on there. Not that you have to be a kid, but it's definitely great to have these resources. Be assertive. Be strong. And she's got pins too, which I showed in the little video I did a while ago when I got all my goodies. Be cautious. The design with those mandalas are just everything at the back. Be brave. Be tenacious. Be curious. Be watchful. And it's so great because they're so inviting and bright, and kids will be so drawn to. Be patient. I love turtles. Really drawn to it. Be creative. Be nurturing. Little penguin. Be reliable. Be loyal. Be bouncy. And be eternal. Be united. Be prepared. I love the mandala. Like you can see it's got little wings, like a little bee. Just love it. Be prepared. If anyone was a Girl Guide or a Scout, you know that one. Be busy. Be confident. Be helpful. Be friendly. Babe. Be swift. I love hummingbirds. Be simple. Be adaptable. Be sensitive. Be gentle. Be kind. Always a lovely reminder, and always never out of style. Kindness is never out of style. Be alert. Be sheltering. Be smooth. Be heard. Be savvy. Be clever. Be charming. Be silent. Be joyful. Be aware. It's a beautiful mandala too. Be delicate. Be graceful. Be chill. Be majestic. Be dazzling. Be wise. Be evolving. Be zen. So cute. Be elegant. Be unique. Be astute. Be grand. And be enchanted. These are so sweet. And I did some readings with these on Instagram live, again, when the Kickstarter campaign came out, and they were so accurate and fun, and channeling with them, which is what I often do when I'm reading, was so easy because you've got so much to go on. You've got the animal, you've got the chakra, you have the affirmation, so you can draw on the law from the animal, like the raven or the crow, giraffe. You can talk about being confident, being different, confident to look further. You've got the chakra of the solar plexus. There's so much that you can channel with these that I found them to be really straightforward, extremely easy to read. The cardstock is lovely with that matte finish. So let's have a look at the guidebook. So animantras.com, mini mystics, and I will stick those links below in the description. Acknowledgements, how to use the cards, getting to know the animals. Chakra check-in exercise, that's very cool. Confidence exercise, I like that. And the confidence spread reveal. Then Katie gives us information about each chakra, which is awesome. So the stones, feelings and energy, and then about the so let's pick a card and we'll see what our message is. And I love that it comes in a little zipping purse and not a little box. I love it. You could like put it in your purse and go. Like I said, this is going, I'm gonna find it very difficult to take this away from my child, not that I would. I'll borrow it. We share crystals often as well, everybody. We have a big tray of crystals that we share, so we also share decks. Be alert, heart chakra, bat. Ooh. I will be alert. Did you know that bats are blind and use sound to navigate? There is no creature more alert than one who can't use one of the major 5 senses. So the bat's energy reminds us to stay alert and connected to the world around us, using the strongest of our senses to do so. Thrive through the darkness, knowing exactly what you're going and exactly where you're going and what flies by, and who flies by your side. So a lot of, you actually get quite a good chunk of information there. I love it. I'm going to pop a link to where you can get this deck below, and where you can support Katie Welsh and her creations. And as always, thank you so much for watching.